Can you believe it? Only over $1 million, you can get this spacious and modern home just north of Seattle. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. So today we are in Mountlake Terrace. Everybody knows they have this new light rail station, and we are actually only 5 minutes away to the new light rail station. Very easy commute to downtown Seattle. And this home that we're going to show you is very spacious and modern. It was built in 2020, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The inside is over 4,000 square feet, and all the bedrooms are super spacious. And the lot size is 8,400 square feet. It has a cabana, it has new lawn, and a great view. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this luxurious and modern home. So coming through the front door, it is 9 feet ceiling height, so you actually feel the hallway is very spacious. And you have this hardwood, really premium hardwood flooring all the way to the main area. And on the left-hand side, this is their office, but you can also turn it into a bedroom. It has a closet, and also the bathroom next to it has a shower in it, and is all completely tiled up. So very good design. So now we are in the main living area. Like you can see, it is a complete open concept. You have this huge family room, and the dining and the kitchen is all in one space. And this family room is one of my favorite spots in this home because it's so spacious. You can put in a lot of couches and chairs. We actually brought in so many furniture so that the room doesn't feel empty. And even though you can still feel the space in this area. And it has a gas fireplace, and you have all those tiles surrounded, so it's a great accent wall. And here is the dining area. So a lot of homes that was built after 2015, I want to say, don't have a dining room anymore. So I've seen a lot of this kind of design in MN, in Kate Hill homes. And the buyer who actually don't want to put a table here can put whatever they want to, a football table, whatever they want to put here. So it is more flexible to the owner. And here we're in the kitchen area. I really like the design of it because it is very luxurious. It uses great granite countertop. As you can see, they actually have those contrast of color. It is dark cabinet in the center, and then all the white cabinets around it. So it is interesting, and it's very dramatic. I love the light fixtures here. I really want to get one for myself. Black and gold is the trend. So this kitchen is like it was built brand new. You also have gas stove here, and then range hood. So if you like cooking, this is very practical. And again, pot filler is necessary for all the luxurious homes. So now I'm in the backyard, and this is absolutely one of the best selling points of this home. So the home has 8,400 square feet lot. Most of it is in the backyard because the front yard is pretty small. And this is a great design because you have all those kind of elevated area that is very, very flat. And then you have all those new lawn area that is great for you, for the new owner to enjoy this beautiful summer. And then also we have this cabana that we also staged because we think it's a great place to hang out. You can even have a big dining table here, and you just eat dinner here, barbecue and everything. You have light, you have all the heaters. Great design in Seattle's weather. So now we're on the top floor of this home. When you come up from the stairs, the first thing you noticed is those really dramatic chandelier. I really like the light fixtures of this house. So you have this light, and then you also have 2 big windows surrounding it. So you already have really great natural light of this space. And on the 2nd floor, we actually have 4 bedrooms and then a bonus room, or you can make it a media room. And let's check it out. Compared to a lot of rooms here, this is a very cozy kind of room. You can make it an office, you have a fireplace, make it even more cozy. And you can make it a media room so you can enjoy your movie night here with the family. And through this door, you can actually go to this oversized balcony and you can enjoy your morning coffee here. And now let's check out the primary bedroom. So this house is 4,200 square feet. All the rooms are very spacious. And if you think this primary bedroom is big, then there is another huge room that basically is the same size of this primary bedroom. And when we were trying to stage this house, we were like, it's just massive. I don't know how many furniture is enough for this room. And this primary bedroom actually has a vaulted ceiling, so it feels even more spacious and bright. You can put in a king-size bed right here, huge nightstand table, and then you can still fit in, couches, desks, or, drawers, whatever you want to fit in. This room has room for everything. And let's check out the primary bathroom. So I like the design of it because it has double sink and then you have your own space, right? And then for ladies, this is where you sit and put on your makeups, and I love this design. And you have tiles on the floor, and then you have this heated floor, so it's very comfortable. And then you have a glass door shower room, has tiles from the floor all the way to the ceiling. And then on this side, you have a standalone bathtub, which is very modern design, and you can enjoy your bath here with great privacy. So after viewing this home, I think this is one of my favorite homes because it's very modern and it uses a lot of luxurious material. Hardwood floor on the first level, and then you have granite, you have, quartz that has really good material. For the layout, I really like how they have an office/bedroom on the first floor and a 3/4 bath. And then on the 2nd floor, you have all the massive bedrooms, and you can make it bonus room, media room, however you want to make it. You have so much space to work with. For the backyard, you can enjoy the cabana, and the lawn is new, so it's move-in ready condition. It's only 5 minutes away to Mountlake Terrace light rail and only 30 minutes to downtown Seattle. So if you like the home, we're going to have open house this weekend. We just hit the market and the price is $1.65 million. If you're interested, come and take a look. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.